Hey guys, bam, as you see in the picture, 80% off jewelry plus free gift from Zepto. Let's check out. Hello, namaste, how are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. आप कैसे हो? नल्ले रखेंगे. As you see here, we have ordered jewelry at 80% off on Zepto. This is a gold-plated chain from Palmonas. As you see here, it is at 80% off. If you want more discount, you can copy the coupon code as shown on the video from payments offer and apply at checkout, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As you see here, certificate of authenticity also is given, confirming that it is 18 carats gold. It looks beautiful, right? This is 18 carats plated gold chain, which comes with a pendant. That is, the pearl pendant. It looks darn beautiful, right? It goes easy on your neck, cozy, comfortable. And look at the beads. They shine forth with all brilliance, yes or no? And it's easy to lock and unlock as well, as shown on the video. This is anti-tarnish chain. It will not fade. That means the gold plating retains, as you see here. Is it not nice? Let me know in the comment section. Now this is a free gift you can get on Zepto, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. This is Palmonas gold plated studs. You can get the studs as a free gift, or you can replace your free gifts with any other products, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. Now it's time. We'll go check out Zepto free gifts. Once you go to Zepto, you have buy 4 get 1 free store is available, along with 9 rupee deals as shown on the video. You can check out. If you want, you can add them to cart. They have 9 rupee products. Now go to jewelry as shown in the video. Once you go there, you have jewelry at 80% off. You can scroll down and you have big brands. Giva, Palmonas also available. If you want to go for little things brand, they are available at 80% off. Can check out. Okay, if you want free product or free gift, you can go to Palmonas as shown on the video and add to cart the jewelry you want. And here you have buy 4 get 1 free. You can click on that and go to that store. You can add here from different categories, clothes or jewelry or any other products you wish to have them ordered. So once you are done adding 4 items to the cart, automatically your offer would be unlocked. Free gift would be auto added in your cart. Okay, now you can get back. If you want coupon, you can go to that particular jewelry product, scroll down, go to payment offers, copy the coupon code and go to cart now. Once you go to cart, as you see here, free gift is auto added in your cart. That is Palmonas gold studs. If you don't like this free gift, you can replace it by going to buy 4 get 1 free store as shown previously and add whatever products you want. Now you can go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown on the video. Okay, if you want more discount, make sure you go to payment offers and apply the coupon code that was previously copied. If you did not copy, you need not worry. You can apply the coupon code from the drop down list. Okay, that's it done. You just confirm your 9 rupee product and free gift as shown on the video and check out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.